Macananty. Macananty, fairy king of Scrabo Hell. Are ye deed or banished, Macananty, Macananty? Are ye deed or banished, Macananty? Ach, and nay. Can the mechte man supplant ye that your redcaps hae vanished, Macananty, Macananty, for the hell and for the lee? That nae mair in magic trances when the silver moonbeam dances, come the wee folk with their dances, fae the lands of fairy. Come the wee folk with their dances, Macananty, Macananty. Come the wee folk with their dances, fae the land of fairy. Are ye still at Scrabo dwelling, Macananty, Macananty? Are ye still at Scrabo dwelling, Macananty? Ach, and nay. Does the clink of chisel daunt ye? Does the iron engines yelling? Macananty, Macananty, make the heart within ye dee. Or aneath the rooks they're renting, where their clatter never ending. Are ye still your wee life spending in the lands of fairy? Are ye still your wee life spending, Macananty, Macananty? Are ye still your wee life spending in the land of fairy? It may be you're only sleeping, Macananty, Macananty. It may be you're only sleeping, Macananty, och and nay. And the elfin harps enchant ye where the rock abysses deepen, Macananty, Macananty, underneath the Strangford sea. And ye mock the mason's hammer and the quarry devil's clamour, whilst you're dreaming in the glamour o' the lands of fairy. Whilst you're dreaming in the glamour, Macananty, Macananty, whilst you're dreaming in the glamour in the land of fairy.